It's on 40 in my right car. Business change, they act like I ain't noticed.
Good morning, labs. If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka mtoto wa Homa Bay County. Today we are headed to Naivas supermarket to see what 200 shillings and below can get us for breakfast. Basically, what can we have for breakfast at Naivas for 200 shillings and below, because I know tea is the only remedy for this current Nairobi weather. So let's go.
I do this for my father, who I've only seen from time to time in my dreams. I do this for you. I do this for my mother, who's finally clean, no longer a fan. I do this for you. I do this for my sister, my wife and my kids, cause they part of the team. I do this for all the naysayers and haters who made me one of the greatest. I know it kills you inside, that's why I do this for you. I do this for my father, who I've only seen from time to time in my dreams. I do this for you. I do this for my mother, who's finally clean, no longer a fan. I do this for you. I do this for my sister, my wife and my kids, cause they part of the team. I do this for all the naysayers and haters who made me one of the greatest. I know it kills you inside, that's why I do this for you.
I do this for the kids who sit a bit outside the mix, who maybe cope through humor just to fit in for a bit, who never let the world know when depression's setting in. To all of those who know you, that impression don't exist, and it ain't counterfeit, it's just a way to counter it. I'm living things I dreamed about, I still encounter it.
So I stopped over at the pastry section and got myself a bun for 75 bob and smoky for 25 bob. That is 25 Kenya shillings total, 100 bob. Oh, the bun was delicious, by the way. Then got tea for 50 bob, that is 50 Kenya shillings. So the total amount was 150 Kenya shillings. If you ask me, Naivas does save you money, because I would have chosen anything else, samosas, hot dogs, you name it. I would have had an entire buffet for under 200 Kenya shillings. Sorry. So Naivas does save you money. Plus nowadays, if you don't have your card, they just insert your phone number and you still earn your points. You don't need your card nowadays. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you. See you on my next one. Bye bye. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe.
All the naysayers and haters who made me one of the greatest. I know it kills you inside, that's why I do this for you. I do